Hello, it is I, Mother Nature, wishing you a happy Valentine's Day. I will make it rain with thunder and lightning so that your significant other will break up with you. And then you'll be standing outside in the rain and you'll be crying. You'll be crying and crying, and the rain will be falling down with your tears. And that way you'll be unlovable. And then guess what? You'll be struck by lightning, and I will appear and I'll eat all of your chocolates. Mother Nature loves you. She also needs her caffeine, you know, the Starbucks version.